Beautiful people, it's your girl Shantana Redman. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you haven't gotten a chance to subscribe, make sure you hit that red button and like, comment, and watch out my previous video. And if you're returning subbies, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be unboxing my first Voxbox that I received from Influenster. And if you're wondering what is it that I'm talking about, make sure y'all stay tuned to see what I have in store for you. This is a box that I've received. My information is here. It had to be taped. I'm not sure for why, but it was taped. And this is how the package comes in. It tells you how to handle with care, and it says it's a liquid box as well. So I've already opened it because when you go to the shipping company, you have to check the package before you leave to ensure that what is it that you're supposed to get it's actually in the box. So this is how it comes in. I get a 10 brochure, and that's it. So this is the one that I have received. Comes in this. It was properly wrapped, like properly wrapped, and this is the package that I have received. It's the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Style Milk. Let me kind of get that focus in. Yeah, so the Shea Moisture Coconut Hibiscus Curl and Style Milk. So I haven't pulled the package as yet, like literally I haven't pulled it. And it says what in this package has no I'm gonna open it up using my scissors. Right, so this is it. Right, so this is a package that I've received. So as I said, I've never yet pulled it before. I've never tried it before, and they reach out to send me it. So it comes with a little covering at the top. It smells really like, it smells really good. It seems very thick, so let me see. Okay guys, so it's not coming out, so I'm gonna just insert my finger in the hole. Take a little bit. This is how thick it is. It's very thick. It's very moist. So I haven't tried it in my hair as yet, but what I can tell you is that it smells really good. You can smell the coconut oil, you can smell the neem oil in it. Guys, you have to stay tuned to see how I've styled my hair with the Shea Moisture Style and Curl Milk. So you gotta stay tuned to see how I use this product on my natural hair. And I'll be honest with you, it smells good. It's really thick, so I really don't think you need a lot of it on your hair, so you just maybe apply it light. But make sure y'all stay tuned to see how I style my hair with it as Influencer. It's really an app where you guys can go. It's very easy. Like, you download the app on your Apple Store or your Google Play Store. Once you do that, you sign up with your email address, whether Gmail or Yahoo. I don't think it limits you to the type of email that you have. So you sign up with an email, you create your own password. It's actually a platform to me where you can review products. So if you have hair products, skincare product, vitamins, makeup, like any stuff you can think of, they have it on their app. And all you have to do is just go and review this product, leave your honest opinion, your honest review, because remember, at the end of the day, you're helping someone with their body, with their hair, with their skincare, with their makeup choice, with their food choice as well. So you have to be honest when you're leaving a review, because you want to be able to leave a review and somebody else believes your review and they say, hey, I'm going to try it out, and they want it to work. Please note that sometimes it will work for you, but it won't work for me, and it worked for me and it doesn't work for you. So you download the app Influencer on Apple Store, Google Play Store, sign up for it, create your password, and they will send you like some survey. The survey may be lengthy, but I don't mind, because the survey is a wide category. It asks for your skin type, makeup type, body care type, and then after that they will let you know if you are qualified to receive a Voxbox, and they will ask you for your shipping address, and they automatically send you. So you could be living in Jamaica, you could be living in overseas, they will send you just about anything. I think based on the answers that you give in the survey, that's where they will determine what box for you to receive. And as I said, it was free of cost. I didn't have to pay any money. Like, I didn't have to pay any money for this, like literally no money at all. So this is just the unboxing, and make sure at the end of the video you go ahead and sign up for it. You don't really have to have a YouTube channel. If it's a case that you have an Instagram channel, or if you even don't have any, you can even comment on their page. Make sure you guys sign up for this and to receive more products. So the more I get is the more I come to share with you. Thank you guys for watching, and as I said, if you haven't gotten a chance to subscribe to my channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and you can watch out my previous videos. If there's any question that you need to ask with the product, feel free to ask. But it's a Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Style Milk, guys. So y'all stay tuned to see how I style my hair with this product. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.